Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So if you own an Atomic wallet and you haven't logged in for quite some time, you need to watch this video or you could lose out. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And you guys, if you have an Atomic wallet, you need to watch this. This is so important. And you could really lose out big if you do not follow this video to the letter and do it now. It is so important that you do it now. And for those of you that don't know what Atomic Wallet is, it is a wallet that you can use as a normal wallet. They hold over 300 different coins and tokens in the wallet, but it's also a staking wallet. So if you like to stake your coins and earn interest on them, then this is ideal for you. What I'm going to do to give you a bit more information, I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that's going to give you everything you need to know, give you a better understanding of how it works and what you need to be doing to get your coins earning interest through the Atomic wallet. Okay, so anyway, what has happened recently, and I am so lucky. I have to say I have been so lucky. I have not logged into my Atomic wallet for months, absolutely months. And I logged in yesterday, so that was the 6th of March yesterday. And I saw this here. Migrate your AWC tokens from the BNB to the BNB Smart Chain before the 1st of March. Now, I had over 700 AWC tokens in here. So I quickly emailed support at Atomic Wallet, and basically if you want to do that, you just click on there, just put contact support there, put a good description of what your problem is, send it off, and they'll get back to you. I had a reply back within an hour from these guys. Anyway, basically the reply came back saying, don't worry, as long as you do this before basically the whole thing collapses or disappears, which is, we'll talk about that in a second, you should be okay. So what you want to do is you want to come in here. Obviously, if you need to know how many tokens you have, if you go up here, you can type in AWC and you can see I have 667 in here. That's on the new chain. So this is on the BEP20 BSC chain, and this is what was left over from the old chain. But if, like I say, so this one is what you'll be looking at if you haven't cashed them out or swapped them over. And this is, so you can see I did get the coins themselves. I actually got my tokens by going through the process I'm going to show you now. Okay, so what you do is you'd click on migration guide and you will see this. Basically, this will talk you through the reason why they're doing it. So it basically says here, the warning, the BNB chain community has recently decided to phase out the BNB beacon chain out of BNB chain ecosystem by April 2024. So basically, you should have until that time. But if you're in here watching this video now, get it done ASAP. And it says here, users need to migrate their WC to the Binance Smart Chain to ensure a smooth transition. So basically what you want to do is you scroll down here. Obviously, this is going to give you a bit more information. And if we scroll down here, this is what you need to do. So basically, you click on the swap service. Now, the minimum, if we quickly go back here, did it say, says, or is it below here? I think it's below here. Look, the minimum amount you can swap is 21 AWC. So if you have less than that, unfortunately, you are not going to be able to swap these. So you will lose them, I'm afraid. Anyway, what you need to do is you'd type in here, like say for instance I typed in 700, and then it will calculate over here what you're gonna get. Yeah, and obviously you've got a bit of a walk through here, And then if we click exchange, obviously I can't do it again. But what you'll see is here, which is the amount of coins or tokens you've typed in. This is what you are gonna get back. And then it asks you for the recipient address. Now, what you need to do is go back here, type in AWC, and then this wallet down here, this is the one that you need the address from. Do not give them the address back to your old wallet. So you'd go in here, you'd click receive, and then basically you'll get a QR code and the address at the top. Copy the address to your clipboard. And then what you want to do is you go back to here and you'll type in that address there. Make sure, like I say, make sure you are not using the top wallet, this wallet here, which is your old address, which is the AWC 986. Do not use that address. Make sure you are using the second address on that, in that row, and everything should be cool. So basically, once you've put that in, what you'll see is the following once you click confirm. So as you can see there, at the bottom where it says awaiting deposit address, awaiting deposit. So what you'll see is you can see the QR code. Obviously, that is for use if you have if you're using Atomic Wallet on your mobile phone. But if, like me, and you're using it on your PC, what you'll see, I know it's really faint, but you'll see basically their wallet address at the top. So where you can just faintly see where it says 701 AWC. Just below that is their wallet address. Now you need to copy that. You need to go into your wallet. And then what you want to do is you need to click on this one because you're sending them, at this point, you're going to be sending them your tokens. So basically you need to click on the AWC 986. You come in here and then you click send. And then basically you'll paste that address that I've just pointed out to you up here. But then at the under here where it says memo, that is really important. So what you do is you come back to here, and on the second line where you can see I've put a red ring around it, you need to copy that line as well. That I think it's just a bunch of numbers. There might be some letters in there, but you need to copy that as well. Then go back to your wallet and then paste that on to where it says the memo line. And then obviously you'll input how many coins you want to send. And then obviously then you click send. So once you've done that, you'll see where it says awaiting deposit will go green. It will go a green tick. Then it will move to the next stage, which is confirming that you've sent that. Then once obviously that has been confirmed, it will then start doing the exchanging. Now, it does say that it will usually take a few seconds. I left it running for hours and it was still saying exchanging. So basically came to the end near, I wanted to go to sleep. So I shut my computer down, and the next day I went back in the late afternoon. I'd been at work. So I went down in the next day, and this is what I saw. So it says, finished. Thank you for your using Exchange Now, the first instant and limitless exchange platform, which, to be honest with you, I thought the service from this platform was really good. I mean, it did take a long while to do the exchange, but the thing is they not only do this kind of exchange, you can exchange numerous different coins through here. If you just click on here and then go look at all currencies just there, and that is going to give you a massive list of everything that they do. So obviously if you want to exchange other tokens, maybe from different websites in the future, then you can do that using this site. But obviously, there's also things like PancakeSwap and other sites that you can do it on as well. But with Change Now, this site, I don't think it's limited to just BSC network, whereas PancakeSwap is just BSC. Tron Swap was just the Tron or Just Swap was just the Tron network. Whereas these guys, I think they pretty much do most currencies. You know, you've got tons of them. And like I say, you know, for some of the websites that we use, you might be able to. Now, I don't know this for sure, but you possibly somewhere might be able to type in contract addresses and bring up the not so well-known tokens that we get from some of these websites. And you might be able to exchange them for a coin that you, another coin that you want as well. But anyway, like I say, it did go through all nice and successfully. The only thing I'm sort of waiting for now with Atomic Wallet is for the new token to get into the staking area, because if it sticks to the percentage that it is at the moment, where for the old tokens it was 20% interest, and if the new wallet, once obviously past April and everyone has done what they need to do, I'm assuming this one will change to the new one, and I'm hoping we can then start staking that. Something I am going to be doing in the very near future is going to be sticking a bunch of Cardano in here from Mining Blocks, because that's going to give me a 5% interest on that. We've got various different, we've got some band networking, band protocol in here. I've got some Tron in here. Obviously I did have the AWC. I've got Tezos in here. And all of these, like, you click on them now, you know, and I can just claim when this gets to a certain point. I can claim that, and then I can stake it as well. When I can stake that, because it's at 1. You can normally with these you can only stake when they're at a full coin. You can claim any time, I think, but you can only stake when it's at a full coin. And obviously, you know, Tron, we've got, you know, nearly 500 Tron in there. We've got 16 available to stake, although Tron right now you can't stake. I don't know if it's because of all the kerfuffle that was going on with the Tron coin, TRX, and there was a load of legal stuff going on. Right now you can't actually, like, I can claim it, but I can't. That's why it's showing 16, because right now I can't stake that. This is what is staked at the moment, but I can't stake that. I'm getting interest on it, so I'm earning. I just can't stake what I'm earning right now. And we got Tezos, and like I say, we will be adding I got like 20 Cardano in Mining Blocks. So I'm going to bang that in here. And it is, you know, I think it's a great wallet. The fact that they hold, you know, you can deposit so many different coins. It also is nice. It gives you a chart on how well they're doing on the market. It gives you current prices, which I mean, in the last video we did, which was what, the Chain of Legends video just a couple of days ago, Bitcoin was at 62,000. It's now nearly 68,000. So that is a new high for the Bitcoin, and you know, the only thing is that sudden spike sort of unnerves me, because when it's a big jump like that, you think, you know, who did that? Was that just a load of small investments, or is that just, you know, a massive investment from one person, you know, waiting for it to go up to, let's say, 70,000? If they picked it up at 62, let's say it then goes to 70, they could then withdraw, you know, take all that out, and then it will drop back down. But let's hope, you know, this wave just keeps getting bigger, and it keeps pushing forward, which like I say, in Chain of Legends, because the halving is coming, it could well do that. It could well keep pushing forward. But and like I said, if it's there, if it's still really high, well after the halving, we could be looking at 100,000, 100k for a Bitcoin, just for one Bitcoin. We could be looking at 100,000. Anyway, like I say, all of that not financial advice. So don't go and sell your car and buy some Bitcoin. But I love it. I love this stuff. I know a lot of you guys have been with my channel for a long time. You know how enthusiastic I am about crypto. And after this, this real winter, essentially this real, bear market that we've had with Bitcoin, to suddenly see it start moving up again is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And, let's hope it will continue. And and we're all doing well from it. So before I go, obviously, just make sure you are doing this now. Get it done today. Migrate these AWC tokens now. Just because basically it could be around the network that the old tokens are on, could be around until April. Do not take that chance. Get it done now, because I'll guarantee you will regret it if you do not. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. If you are interested in that earlier video explaining how Atomic Wallet works, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.